Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your first time of seeing my channel. My name is Elijah Alice. You are welcome to my channel. To my returning subscriber, thank you very much for always stopping by. I'm grateful. This is the bag that we are going to be making today. Can you see? This is what we are going to be making today. This is a market bag, posed by Crossbody bag for women, for market women, for men. So if this is something that you are interested in, I want you to stay tuned and watch to the end. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like our channel, share this video so that more people can get this video. So welcome. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. If you have subscribed, like the video. Make sure you press that like button. Give us a like. So for the measurement is 9 by 20. The main piece is 9 by 20. Then with the lining, you cut the lining, one piece 9 by 20. Then you cut the lining. Then the next thing you will need is the top purse, which is 6 by 6. You need two pieces, 6 by 6. You need two pieces. Then you are going to be needing 50 inches long belt. This is a crossbody bag. This is the belt that I'm going to use to do the handle. Then you need your zipper. Zipper 9 inches too. 9 inches to then 6 inches you need one. That's what you need your zipper head 3. Your zipper head you will need 3 of it. So you will need your adjuster, which you will use to do the handle. So now we are going to be working on the top pocket. So we measure 2 inches down from that 6 by 6 inches. Then we fix our zipper there. So you measure 2 inches down. You cut it off, then fix our zipper and pre-stitch it. Can you see the way I'm doing it? That is how you will do it. So please make sure you like this video, like our video, so that YouTube will push it to more people. Make sure you engage on our video. Make sure you share the video. Make sure you like. Always comment. If you have any question, you can drop. If you have a video you want me to make, you can send me a message. This is my WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp me so that I can make the video. So we are done making the purse. So what we did, we just put the zip, run it around and turn it out. We are done making it. So the next thing to do is the main piece from the center. You measure 2 inches. Can you see what I'm doing? I measure 2 inches from the center. I will cut it. Do the same thing to the other side. So I'll cut it off. Measure 2 inches from the center, I'll cut it off. Then after cutting it, I will notch it. Can you see it? Notch it. Then I will now fix my top purse. That first purse I sew, I will also notch it and fix it. Can you see it? I will fix it to the center of one side of the pieces. Sorry. So now can you see, notch to notch? I will sew it down. So after sewing it down, then the next thing is to fix our zipper. Can you see it? You fix your zipper on it. Yes, that is what you do. Fix your zipper on it. So after fixing the zipper, you pre-stitch it. Just the same way you see me do it. So you pre-stitch it that way. Can you see it? So after then, the next thing you will add, you will now put the top, the one you cut off before, you will fix it back. You sew it down, and you pre-stitch it too. Thank you for watching. If you have watched this, thank you for watching. God bless you. We are so grateful. Please like. If you have not liked this video, please, have you liked the video? Please like. If you have not liked, press the like button there. Just give us a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It does not take you anything. Just press the button. If you have subscribed, like, drop your comment. Yes, we are done fixing the zipper to the side, the front and the back side. So now we'll notch the center of the main piece again. We'll notch it to be sure of the center. Yeah, that's where we fix our handle. That's how we fix the long and the short handle. So we have to notch it to get the exact measurement. Can you see it? So before then, we'll fix our zipper. See what we are doing now. We'll fix our zipper head. Can you see? So we'll just fix it. So that is it. Thank you for stopping by. So after fixing our zipper head, the next thing to do is to fix our long handle, which we have fixed. We are fixing it now. So can you see it? So after fixing it, then we'll fix our short handle, then we'll put our adjuster. We'll put our adjuster just 2 inches or 2.5 inches zip belt. Then you put your adjuster inside. So after we are done fixing that, then you take your lining. Right side of the material and the right side of the lining will face each other. Can you see it? Make sure the right side of the material and the right side of the lining is facing each other. Can you see? So before you sew down from that side and sew down from the other side and sew the top, the two sides. So which I am done sewing. Can you see? So our bag is ready. Our crossbody bag is ready. So now you just turn it out. I'm turning it out. Can you see it now? Yes. Our bag is ready. So it's very simple to make. Actually, you can make up to 10 of these in a day. It's very simple to make. So why don't you just try your own? Then what I'm doing now is that I have to stitch down the center to divide the 2 pockets. So I'm stitching down the center. I decided to leave it like that, but I just decided to stitch it down so that I will divide the 2 pockets. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. If this is your first time, you are welcome. My name is Elijah Alice. I'm a bag maker. Please support me by subscribing. Invite